Today's video is all about potatoes, and I have never met anyone who doesn't like potatoes, so let's get into it. First up, we have got an Asian smashed potato salad. Now look at how good it looks. It's crispy, it's fresh, it's zippy, it's delicious, and it's super easy to make. And it relies very, very easily on crispy potatoes. Now crispy potatoes are very easy to make. You just take your potatoes, boil them, let them cool down, squash them with the base of a glass, drizzle over olive oil, bit of salt, bit of pepper, then pop them in your air fryer if you've got one. If not, the oven will do, and roast them until they're super crispy. And then couple it with all the lovely coupley stuff that we've just done right there, and you are left with a salad which is great for any time of the day. Well, maybe not the morning, but you know what I mean. Now, we've got Romemesco creamed beans with crispy smashed potatoes. The Romemesco beans here are delicious, and the reason why they're delicious is because we use real fresh vegetables and we roast them to draw out all the natural sweetness from the sugars that are locked inside them. Then, once they're doing their thing, we're gonna make our smashed potatoes just like we did in the previous recipe. Then everything for the Romemesco sauce goes into the blender. We blend it until it's nicely textured and beautifully kind of bitty, but in a lovely way. And then we load it up in the chefiest way possible. And what you're left with, again, is something that you want to eat. Now, I genuinely think that what you're looking at right here might be the most beautiful recipe that we have ever made. It's the smashed potato technique again, but this time we're using dill. Then we're gonna roast some beetroot, because roast beetroot, in our opinion, feels a lot nicer than just sort of pickled beetroot. We're gonna blend it up with some beans. Look at the color on that, oh my goodness. Load it up with the yellow golden potatoes, serve it with a bit of yogurt, serve it with a bit of dill, and wow. Now, we said that this was a good potato video, and here is another fantastic potato recipe. Really simple, actually. What we're gonna make is a little bit of guac, and the guacamole, obviously, you're gonna get some red onions in there, you're gonna get some avocado in there, you're gonna give it a nice mashy, you're gonna make a little marinade, you're gonna put it all over the crispy smashed potatoes, and then you're just gonna toss it around with some black beans and some sweet corn and a bit of coriander, and then we're gonna crack on with another avocado-based crispy potato salad, because we like them that much. The creaminess of the avocado and the crunchiness of the potato just complement each other perfectly, and as you can see, that's just another barbecue classic. Next up, we've got another smashed potato recipe. Of course we have, but this time we are sitting our crispy potatoes on arguably one of the nicest bases we've ever created, and it is super high in protein, because what you've got is nutritional yeast, you've got silken tofu, you've got beans, and then you've got the added variety of the pickles, which are sharp and delicious and texturally very, very pleasing. That was a lovely dish, especially with the introduction of a little bit of maple syrup. Now, Green Goddess is a salady thing that has been trending on social media for a long time, so we thought, right, we're gonna get on that trend. And basically what you're seeing here is exactly the same thing as you saw before. Crispy smashed potatoes. If you've never made them before, you must make them. You must make them tonight, because they are cheap, they are cheerful, they are delicious, ridiculously Moorish, perfect for a party, perfect for a barbecue. And when you serve them like this, you will have something marvelously delicious. Now, they were 7 recipes, one for every day of the week. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make potato salads. Brilliant! If you liked the video, let us know what you think about it in the comments below, and we'll see you again on the next time. And don't forget to subscribe. See ya.